There's 3 pies in there on the counter. There's blueberry, caramel apple, and apple flavor.
Caramel apple.
Caramel apple! There's pie! Do you want to get some pie?
Yeah, you guys should go get some pie.
Apple, cherry.
No. Apple, blueberry,
Pie.
caramel apple.
What are you doing?
You want caramel apple?
True?
Recording why?
Recording?
It doesn't go the other way.
For his YouTube channel.
Hey, it's actually pretty popular stuff.
You don't know what to do.
Stop
Tyler.
messing.
Somebody unsubscribe. You don't know.
Yeah, to you.
don't know.
Yeah, it was you.
And a statue.
Nobody will unsubscribe to me except you.
It wasn't me. Well, haha.
Give up. Give up. Tyler, can you move, please? Thank you.
Hey.
I'll give you a shout out if you move.
Pie, caramel apple. I don't want pie.
Looks like the house is on fire.
You play the bee thing. That's what I play.
See, last year
Play that fire thing. I like that. Look at that. SpongeBob.
I said I bet they'll be changed on that.
Well, then again, they have the best view now.
Have that. Piggy.
Then again, they have the best view now.
That's true, they can sit out in their backyard and watch them.
Or even their front yard if they really wanted to.
Hey, you want to look at all the games? Yeah. Can I play with you? Like that shooting game? Can I play Roblox with you? Do you want to play 2-player game in Roblox?
Out here, I don't get the feeling that I'm beating on my stomach.
Can I play? Can I play
Out here,
Slay?
I don't get the feeling that I'm beating on my stomach.
Can I play? If you're good, I'll tell you what I can play and I can play. Please. And I tell me what I can't play and I can play.
I can't write off it's recording.
Please, can I play it?
So,
Can I please play this? Please. I thought I was making that sound. Can I play it? Can I play it, please?
Next year I'll have you
Can I play it, please?
Getting it, just on
If it's not too loud.
small.
Can you do
My
one
camera's not very
and I
big.
can play with Logan, please? Will you? Can we share? Can we share?
I wish my phone actually worked.
Can we
I'd be
share
able to
on
get
that,
better.
please? Can we, little Logan? I thought it was on YouTube, but it was.
Why aren't you guys watching the fireworks?
I am, Drew. And I won. Can I play it, please?
Might be, they
You
might
realize that you guys are on video. They can hear everything.
Please, can I play it? And then watch fireworks? Please, can I play it? Joel, that one looks so cool. That's like a spaceship.
It's a planet.
Crap, look at that.
So,
I kid you not, every hillbilly in your
Hey,
stop
can I
has
please play
fireworks.
it? Ah, one. Spider. Stop.
they missed that one
Letting me, please. Can I
because of them.
I'll do whatever you say. Promise.
Tyler, get out of his face.
I'll let you play. Not right now though. After this video, after I'm done.
Oh crap!
Just don't get in the camera,
Can
okay?
I just watch it?
I guess so.
Crap! It looks like a pink one when you watch on the spaceship.
Yeah, I know.
She's went outside.
Oh crap!
Can't decide where she wants to sit.
Hey Tyler, if he won't let you play, I'll let you play soon. I'll let you play Roblox.
Oh, well, she tried to tell me I want to go inside. I said, no, you're going to watch fireworks with us.
No. You can play with him, he said.
She's coming back to me right now.
Well, not right now.
After the fireworks?
Yeah, I
Allie,
promise.
come here.
I'll let you play.
Huh?
I'll let you play if it's not dead.
Here, look. Watch the picture. Yes, say hi.
Logan, you gonna watch fireworks or you gonna
Yes,
watch
I'm
YouTube
walking.
I don't think they can see it.
What am I doing right now?
videos? Watching a YouTube video?
No, I'm not.
So turn off the phone.
They can hear everything you guys
Got a
say.
flag and a light up necklace.
Turn it off, Logan.
Say, Julie,
That's what I thought.
Viv decked you out.
You already know I'm watching fireworks.
Got him. Except for Giannis, he doesn't live on. You like them?
Leave it like a flat.
Ah! Look, I found the fireworks, Mommy. Yes, we're watching them.
Hey Logan,
Yeah?
what happened to watching the fireworks?
They can see it. I'm trying not to give out the location. Everybody keeps walking in front of the cam.
Buddy, you're not watching fireworks.
Can't wait till the finale.
Hey, that was a Mexican flag. Huh?
I'm waiting for the finale.
I don't know if the finale will be as great as Indian Lakes. That finale was awesome. I'm not sure why people don't watch it.
I'm watching it. What color I like? Blue. I like blue.
You can tell it wasn't me.
I don't know, what did I throw at him?
Ooh.
That's why I threw at him. Tyler.
It's like those flames. Look.
Tyler.
It's fine.
I see a thing. Yeah.
Tyler, if you stop, I'll let you play.
Are these dead?
Nope, they're just flashing. This isn't the finale, right?
Stop!
What was that wallpaper that I saw?
What did he pay?
Who does he play for?
I wonder. You drafted here, your first round pick.
Yeah. If only I had like a phone and a tripod.
Hey Logan, that phone's a bit too close to be watching fireworks.
Need a tail. I will have to find it.
Who's that? What are you doing? Huh?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
They can't see you, Tyler. Tyler? I won't let you play.
You know you're not going to let me play?
If you don't stop. I'm trying to do something.
I play Roblox. I'm not playing Roblox anymore. When you're done